couple of setups, repeatable setups that you can repeat for your life, and there are a few concepts which I teach again and again. Some of these trades that we had on Friday based upon these repeatable setups. Let's take a look at the first one, MP. MP was on our pre-market planning that I also shared on X on Friday. So with the support at 48.50, resistance at 50. If you look at the daily chart on MP, it has been selling off for a few days since the US-China news. It's been selling off. So we were waiting. For us, it was not only an earning setup, it was also something called day 2, day 3 setup. So in this setup, we are looking for a reversal to long it. It's been on a bearish cloud, you see that, but there's another concept which came in handy, was 50. This was a 50 psychological level that gave us additional confidence to long MP. So as soon as it started to push on MP, I told the traders that you can long it versus 50. It's a long 512 call. As you know, we already had this pre-market planning on MP that we're going to be bullish bias there, already curling long versus 48.50. So we already know that this is bullish because it's been selling off and it had good earnings and there's a chance to make a profitable trade there. So that's why I told the traders to long versus 50 psychological level. Always use 50 psychological level. The first target I gave was 55 and the second target I gave the traders was 60. So by end of the day, we hit both the targets and our lotos went few 100% trade there. Even if you longed at 52, you're risking $2. By the end of the day, you're making $8. You're risking $1,000, you're making $4 grand. So that's a repeatable setup based upon the 512 calls. These are Ripster cloud calls, breaking the MTFs, another flag, hold as long as the cloud holds, and also there is a 50 psychological level. So this is a repeatable concept. So next time I see the similar things, a psychological level, I see a cloud curl, we will take that thing long again. That's how you find these repeatable setups. I just got MP versus 50 psychological level. Another one which was similar setup was open. Open was also doing a curls and it was a trading versus 5 psychological level. 5 psychological level, that was the plan. Hold as long as it holds the 5 and take it long there. I tweeted about that, open versus 5, MP versus 50. So both those are great trades. In the community, we took a long there versus 5 and it ran all the way to 659, from 560 to 659. So another Ripster 512 curls, day 2 setups. So these were the curl setups, MP and open. One was versus 5 psychological level, the other was versus 50 psychological level.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.